After selecting the admin tab, we navigate to account settings section. Within the account setting, we find marketing cloud setting, offers options to hide all apps, receive product alert, and enable social studio. Additionally, we access general setting containing information such as account name, account ID, email display name, which will be visible when sending email from the marketing cloud account. This also includes email reply address, portfolio based URL, SOAP service endpoint, modify by user, time zone, and date format. Company information is required by CAN-SPAN law, which by default will be there in all emails. We have company name, street, city, state, postcode, and country. Authenticating domains, header and footer can be configured with option to choose default setting or customize HTML and text header and footer. To edit this information, click on the edit option at the top. Within header and footer, customize and preferences and preview changes. When satisfied, save the modification, otherwise click cancel to retain the existing setting. This process provides an overview to access and editing account setting in Marketing Cloud.